Have you ever wondered how a smoke alarm knows when there's smoke? Let's find out together. A smoke alarm has a few clever parts inside that help it detect smoke. Inside the smoke alarm, there's a tiny chamber with a light beam. When there's no smoke, the light beam travels straight across the chamber. But when smoke enters the chamber, it disrupts the light beam, scattering the light in all directions. The smoke alarm has special sensors that notice this scattered light. When the sensors detect the scattered light, they know that there's smoke. Once the sensors detect smoke, they send a signal to the alarm. This signal tells the alarm to make a loud noise. That loud noise is there to alert everyone that there might be a fire and to get to safety. There are different types of smoke alarms, too. Some use ionization, where a small amount of radioactive material ionizes the air inside the chamber. Smoke particles disrupt this ionization process, and the alarm goes off. Others use photoelectric technology, which is what we just talked about with the light beam. So, next time you hear a smoke alarm, you'll know that inside that little device, there's a whole process working hard to keep you safe. Isn't it amazing how such a small device can be so important?